So one of the things that I've heard people around me say is that their hair is not growing, and I am here to counter that. If you try this thing that I'm going to share with you in this video and use it the way that I will recommend, in no time I promise you, you will begin to see length. This was one of the first DIYs I ever tried on my natural hair, and let me tell you, if your hair is strong, if your hair is not manageable, if your hair is not growing, this remedy, this palm fruit, is going to solve your problem. Please let me know what this fruit is called in your area. So guys, our remedy for today is palm oil. Palm oil is derived from the palm fruit that I just showed you earlier. Best way that you can use this palm oil for best results for hair growth is to use it as a pre-poo treatment, as a hot oil treatment, and as a sealant. However, in this video, I am going to show you how I use it as a pre-poo and hot oil treatment. So you will begin by measuring out the quantity of palm oil that will be enough for you. And then we are going to put it in a hot bath to dissolve the oil and make it light. You can either use it like that and apply it, then cover your hair with a hot cap. But I prefer mine this way for easy application. Alright, now guys, I'm going to share with you a pro tip. Please, when you're about to do your hot oil treatment, ensure that the water that you're using to detangle your hair is hot. I learned this from a fellow YouTuber, and it has made a great change. Like, it just helps to open your hair cuticle and allow the hot oil to penetrate faster. Okay, now this is what my hair was looking like, and in this video you will see me transform this dry hair into a soft pillowy hair that is easy to manage. So I hope you keep on watching. So here is another pro tip. When you're working on your hair, I can't say this enough, it is advisable that you work in section. Working in section will allow you to attend to every strand of your hair without leaving any strand out. Right, if you're working on your hair in bulk, you can easily miss a strand or two. You can easily skip some places. But once you are sectioning your hair before deep conditioning, before pre-pooing, before literally doing anything, this way you will be able to coat all your hair strands with the products that you are using. I hope I've convinced you to begin to work in section. Plus, it makes the work a whole lot easier. Like, if you've never tried it before, please give it a try. Now, to work on this hair, we are going to start by spraying or damping our hair with the warm water. If you notice, you will see how it's easy to apply and detangle my hair without even using brush, without even combing my hair yet. I am able to detangle my hair with my finger. It is that simple. And for best results, apply this on your scalp all the way to the ends of your hair. And then once I am done, I am going to comb the section and then I'll twist it away. Alright, and this is what I'll keep doing till all my hair is properly covered. Now, while I am doing this, let me quickly share with you the benefit that you will be getting from using this treatment. Okay, remember that in this video we are using it as both pre-poo and as a hot oil treatment. I'll also share with you how you can use it as a sealant towards the end of this video, so keep on watching. However, the only downside to using these products or this treatment is the fact that it gets messy and it can actually stain everything. So if you're considering trying this treatment, please don't wash your hair in the bathroom, okay? And don't apply this in the bathroom. Do this in a free area, in a free space where you can easily clean it up. Alright guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push this video forward. And if you're looking for a way to grow your hair this coming year 2025 without breaking the bank, this channel got you covered. Why don't you subscribe so that you will stay connected in any future upload that I make on this channel. Thank you so much and welcome to the family. So why try palm oil on your hair, right? Alright guys, so here are the benefits that you'll be getting when you start incorporating palm oil on your hair. So palm oil acts as a natural emollient, guys. As it's somehow on my tongue. Okay, so it acts as a natural emollient, helping to seal moisture into our hair strands. And we know that this part is particularly beneficial if you have natural hair, which tends to be drier and more prone to breaking. Palm oil is also rich in vitamin A and E, which are antioxidants that help promote scalp health. It can also help to reduce stress, plus protect our hair from damage that is caused by free radicals. Now, palm oil helps to strengthen the hair because there's a presence of saturated and unsaturated fatty acid in palm oil, which helps to strengthen the hair strands, preventing split ends and breakage. Another benefit is the fact that palm oil improves shine and manageability. Guys, this part is like, you need to try it to believe me. You need to try it to believe me. All right, if your hair is strong, please, or if you have dull hair, why don't you try this treatment? It will help to revive your hair. Okay, palm oil gives hair a natural shine by smoothing the cuticles anyway, making it appear healthier and more vibrant. So looking for a vibrant hair, this is your remedy. Now, this is the most important benefit for me so far. It helps to promote hair growth, right? Because it is high in a property called, hey God, I'm about to bite my tongue now, but let me try. Tocotrienol. I'm going to put the name up here. This is a form of vitamin E that helps to support hair growth by improving scalp circulation and reducing hair fall. Guys, we know that all hair growth starts from scalp, and scalp circulation helps to stimulate hair growth, right? Because when your scalp is stimulated, it will promote faster hair growth. And yeah, this property, don't let me pronounce it again, helps with, stimulating your scalp for your follicles to bring out stronger and healthier hair. Okay, and by this it will also help to reduce hair fall. If the hair that is coming out from the root of your hair is healthy, it will not break easily. And if your hair is not breaking, your hair is growing. This is just pure mathematics. I mean, you have to add 1 + 1 to get to, right? You have to be making sure that your root is properly taken care of, so that the hair that is coming out will come out stronger. And if your hair strands is well fortified, it is not going to break. And if your hair is not breaking, you're going to be seeing length. Do you know that the reason why people complain that they are not seeing length is because their hair is actually breaking off? It's not that your hair is not growing from the root. God has created your hair that way. God has created your body that way. Your body as a human being grows. Your nails grows. Your hair grows. Unless you've reached the stage where you don't grow in height anymore. As a child grows too. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this: your hair is naturally growing. You don't even need extra thing to make your hair grow from your roots. It is growing. The reason why we are doing these natural things is to help cure any disease, anything that might be preventing our hair from growing out. That is why we are implementing or applying these natural remedies, okay, to help support what is already there. Is to help support. It's not like it is the primary reason why your hair should grow. It is to help support your hair growth and making sure that the hair that is coming out more healthier. Okay, so now that you know that your hair is growing, you should try and prevent your hair from breaking. I promise you, if your hair is not breaking before the end of 2025, you're going to see length. Like if you're in 1 inch, you're going to grow up to 4 inches. All right, and the reason why I am generous with 4 inches is because hair grows half an inch for average people. Now if you are growing half an inch, 1 year it is 6 inches. Let's assume that you did not break much hair, because there's no how you will not break hair if you are touching your hair. Like, no matter how gentle you are, once you touch your hair, you will risk losing some strands, which is normal. We are all trying to be minimal. All right, so minus the breakage and everything, you will be able to grow at least 4 inch or more than, depending on how fast your hair grows and depending on how gentle you are with your hair. And so guys, the third way that you can use this treatment on your hair is as a sealant, and you can achieve this by turning it into a hair butter. I've done this before, where I added this to shea butter, mix it up together, and I use it as my sealant. Okay, so if you want me to make a video about that, please let me know in the comments section and I'll be glad to do that.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright guys, so if you enjoy this video, you know what to do. Please thumbs up is very important. This is your only way of supporting me. Thank you so much. Now that I am done applying this oil on my hair, the remaining one, you guys, are we gonna throw it away? Nah. So I'm going to apply the rest on my hair, my entire hair, and once I am done, I'm going to cover it with my cellophane. You can use anything to cover it at this point. And here is where you can do your hot, where you can put on your hot cap if you want to, right? But I don't have hot cap, so I'm going to cover my hair with a very thick cellophane, and then I'll leave this to sit for complete 1 hour so that it will heat up properly. If you have a hot cap, do this and allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. It is enough. If you don't have a hot cap, if you can carry it overnight, you are covered. Like, it's not going to affect your hair. It is only going to affect your pillow and your beddings. Otherwise, you're covered, okay? But for this video, I left it for 1 hour, okay? And after 1 hour, guys, look at how the oil has penetrated properly into my hair strand. Like, I feel like by this time my strands just soaked up all the oils. All right, guys, here is where I'll be drawing the cutting, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another pleasant one. Take care of yourself and bye.